Want to become a successful system thinker to solve complex problems in a sustainable manner but don't know what to do and how? Take a look at this course, our 41st course on the Masters in System Thinking, where you not only learn about system thinking in depth but also learn about how to use system thinking for complex problem solving, making that are sustainable, planning strategically, analyzing complex policies, and even innovating and designing. So attend video sessions to clear your doubts on this topic anytime. Once you enroll this course, you have this facility. Get Udemy's 30-day money-back guarantee. Preview for yourself many lectures covering each section for free and see whether this is the matter that you want to learn. And if you like the content, enroll for the course, enjoy, and become a successful system thinker to solve complex problems, makes decisions that are sustainable and innovate and design.